Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to log out Facebook account from all devices. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Facebook application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Facebook login ID and password. As I have already get logged into my account, at first you need to tap on three horizontal line on top right corner. Scroll to the little down, you can see the options of settings and privacy. Tap on it. Under settings and privacy, you can see settings. Tap on it. Here under you can see the option of password and security. Tap on it. Here you can see where you are logged in. You tap on see all. Here I have been logged into my Facebook account with these devices. Now to delete this device, you also can tap on three vertical line side of the phone. Here you can tap on Logout. You will get logged out of one devices. Now to log out from all devices at the same time, you can tap on Logout of all sessions. Tap on it. This will log you out of Facebook from every device that you are currently logged in on. That is, you will get logged out from all the devices. You tap on Logout. As you can see, I have been logged out from all the devices except this device that I am currently using in. This is how you can get logged out from all the devices from your Facebook account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to log out Facebook account from all devices. Thank you.